Sullivan has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Milwaukee County in southeastern Wisconsin, eastern Walworth County in southeastern Wisconsin, Racine County in southeastern Wisconsin, Waukesha County in southeastern Wisconsin, Kenosha County in southeastern Wisconsin, until 1:15 a.m. Central Standard Time. At 12:27 a.m. Central Standard Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Merton to near Hebron, moving east at 55 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and penny-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Milwaukee, Kenosha, Racine, Waukesha, West Allis, Wauwatosa, New Berlin, Brookfield, Greenfield, Menominee Falls, Oak Creek, Mount Pleasant, Muskego, South Milwaukee, Pleasant Prairie, Cudahy, Whitefish Bay, Greendale, Pewaukee, and Brown Deer. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.